Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Bookmap traders. As you know, every Wednesday we are on the special webinar we do with Bookmap. First of all, a few news of information. Read the disclaimer first thing. So for everybody that is new, remember that don't follow our trading advice. This is only for educational purpose. What we do on Wednesday is to teach you how to read the order flow, which is a very powerful tool. This morning we have shared some of the setups, trades that we have in small caps. We're also having this in large caps and futures. But in the pre-market, I would say we trade only majority small caps unless we will see like some kind of big news on large caps or earnings. Futures are always traded, so we have a special trading room about futures. So we're gonna start soon looking over the plays. If you want to see the entire screen, just log into the YouTube, because on YouTube we can share both the charts and also Bookmap, while also on Discord we can only share Bookmap. So good morning, everybody. Hope you can hear me good. A few minutes to start. I said I'm drinking American coffee. They said so piss with water.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. That's absolutely true. And at the end, it's even stronger.
All right. Let me also hear if you can. Let me also know if you can hear me good. So good morning, everybody. Again, we are in a very good market. I really like the large caps. I'm sharing over here this morning SMCI. SMCI yesterday we had a play over here at the gate. You can see the pattern over here, 51 breaking the J lines and giving us the long. Now, this play was shared in the room. We had over here on Discord shared our plan. Let me see if we can paste it over here. Oh, there we go. This was the plan that we had in the watch list, SMCI. Is there any great opportunity to buy? Watching today if we can hold 50 level mark. If we hold and have volume, let's look to buy dips. Our setup on the over, VWAP, and also J lines. We had an under over the gate. Was a pretty good move. Came over here. You can see a pullback, back over here. Okay, these dips are beautiful. Until we have this trend, okay, I'm looking to buy always. Now, SMCI this morning, I cannot trade with a small account, okay? So we're gonna look to trade this with a large account. Fortunately, I have Ma there, also Alexander in another room. They are looking to, simply follow the strategy. And what I'm looking at SMCI, I'm looking for 65 plus in the next days. So if we can hold this morning the 59-ish, okay, this is gonna be a good long play. So the first thing I do every single morning is I look what we have traded yesterday or what was the plan of yesterday. And I'm looking then to take the plays, okay, that we have, sorry, the plays that we have setting up. The second thing that I do is right away putting up Bookmap and seeing if we have major levels of liquidity. So we have, for example, right now this 60.50, you can see this major level of liquidity in 159. So at 59, we have this big support, and that's the reason why we said also, traders, if we can have 59 holding over here, we're going to look for a bullish move to the 65. So actually, I'm looking for the open, I'm looking for a dip, ideally near over here the 59.50, a cup pattern, volume, Bookmap showing green prints, and then looking for a long play. Looking for 61 breakout, adding a little bit more in dips, and then looking for 63 and 65. Okay, so this would be the long play that I'm looking on SMCI. Always have a plan B. If things don't work on a plan A, you have to be prepared for a plan B. And tomorrow I'm going to have a webinar in the trading room, sharing also statistics on this play that I just shared. It's a play that I was not using too much in Italian market in the last 20 years. As you know, I come from the Italian market, started trading there 1999, 2000. And I'm looking to trade this mainly on large caps and when we're looking at gap up days. And I'm only using this in large caps and in futures. So it's something that I've been using much since 2017, 2018. The years that this setup played the best, I will share in the stat, was 2020, 21. So 2020 also when we had the COVID, so everybody was trading, market was bullish, but also 2024 because market was strong. So only on strong market, this setup will work extremely good. And I'm looking for this dip. The plan B, so in case things don't work, is going to be actually what we had yesterday on NVIDIA. So looking for, if we have a fake out of the 61 and start bleeding, then I'm looking, for example, to short pops. But for now, main A plus setup will be looking for long. Paul, will you be this morning? Shane, will you be this morning? Urban will be this morning on SMCI? I said few of the names that are trading large caps. Just want to hear your opinion if you're going to trade large caps SMCI. Okay. So my point is we have to stay with the long idea. Why? Because the trend is still in us. Okay. Now, doesn't really mean, it's the fourth day, it's the third day, it's the fifth day, sixth day, this will come down. Because maybe this can run even 8 days, 10 days, we don't know. What I know is that on this kind of setup, okay, so even 2 sessions ago, this kind of setup is my long, and over here in the forecast, you will see on the over, if we have the fake breakout, okay, today and reversal, okay, we're looking to short. For now, 59 is really the line in the sand, okay? Remember, Nate always using this symbologia. 59 is my line, okay? So below 59, this can really unwind. This is the first one. We saw Tesla a little bit in the range, NVIDIA in the range. We have to look in Q, and the Qs, SPY, and ES, what they will do. This morning, SPY sold off, NQ sold off. I was looking also at the futures. Right now, seems like it's looking for a pullback, and we could go back to the downside. So I'm not really bullish over here. I'm more looking for this to unwind more. I'm sorry. Seems like head and shoulders, right? The first shoulder, the head, the second shoulder, looks like it's pulling back down now, and we're looking for bearish momentum. So careful on taking longs if the market is unwind. All right. Next one is Cint. We have to do a little bit of recap of Cint. So this morning we had a lot of faders, which were very, I would say, easy. In IVF, for who doesn't know what we have traded, we have shared all the charts in a room. In the right moment, we took the trades, okay? So we took an IVF short, we took TRNR short, we took ALZN short, because there's a big edge in shorting pump and dumps, okay? So I cannot say easy plays, but really, essentially pretty easy. Now we have Sint, which is a stock that is not the easiest stock to trade, okay? It's not the easiest stock to trade. So why I say that, and let me go over this 1 second. Okay. So, sorry. I want to go over Sint, and I want to explain also what happened in the stock. So why the stock is up. So receives issuance of US patent of, don't ask me to pronounce this, nitride functionalized zirconia toughened aluminum ceramic biomaterial. Okay, sorry for my pronunciation. But essentially we have what? A US patent. Generally patent news are big gap and fail. But we have to consider also the stock that has a micro float, okay? And this morning, this stock, and also the stock has history of flow rotation, right? Now this stock this morning has traded already Sint something like 32 million. So we are more than 20 times, okay, flow rotation, okay? 20 times plus flow rotation. This is an insane amount of volume that we have traded over here. And that's the reason why I say be careful when you see a micro float and so much flow rotation. There were some good setups. I go short at 445 because this was a daily level. A good long over here in the reclaim of the VWAP because that's a pattern, and also daily level over here 420. If you hear some noises, it's my 8-month daughter, okay? And over here we have the top at 6. Now let's look into our daily levels, and then I will give you my forecast for the stock. So we have some levels over here, resistance. Right now you can see the price is at 5. We go back, we see the major resistance over here around $7. Let's see more over here, 560s. So we're gonna also put this over here. We also see this major level over here, 650. So we have our levels over here, resistance. Now, looking in the past, the stocks like extend and then fail. Over here, we had a gap, pop and fail. Over here, we had a gap, big extension and fail. Another gap, extension and fail. Another gap, extension, fail. Another gap, extension, fail. So this is a stock that eventually, okay, fails. But before fading, this stock likes to extend. Okay, so we have to be at the end being able to switch bias. Okay, now my point is this: at the gate we are the J lines over here and at the VWAP. If we are holding team this support over here, okay, which is around 496, which is this heat map, and we are dipping into this heat map and then pushing, I'm looking to long play. All right, or any kind of fake breakdown and right away curl back up, I'm looking to long play this. Okay, am I clear? All right. This morning, no, I didn't trade a small account. Small account, I only traded at the gate. It's not my priority. We traded like on large account, 2 large accounts, and 1 like mid account. Already done 5 figures, so I'm gonna focus on the small account for the open. But if I see some good play, I also trade a large account, especially in SMCI. So Sint, fake breakdown, and push, that's my long. Where I'm looking to short? Well, between 540 and 560, okay? So we go on Sint, fake breakdown of 490-ish, okay? And reclaim 5 with volume, equal long. Short play, ideal, 540, 560 golden zone. Last of the last, fail and rejection, VWAP, J lines too short. Basically, by tracking this setup is what these stocks do, okay? So we have a plan for this. Let's see, Sint, yeah, it's around $5. Okay, Bookmap, I believe, will be very, very interesting this morning. Because I'm gonna really rely on Bookmap for Sint, okay? And then we have JTI. Anybody looking to trade JTI? We have traded this actually 2 days ago, so 2 trading sessions ago, so you can put really your resistances. What I see on JTraders is a major level of supply between 620 and 640. So JTI is a short play if we get into 620, 660 from previous sessions. Okay, so we have bag holders, as we say. We have also to acknowledge that this JTI likes to extend. I mean, look at the first day. It's another micro float. It's another stock with low cash. It's another toxic company. Okay, and for that we have always to be, ready. Not really long over here, far from the VWAP, far from a support. We're not really too long. For that, we always have to acknowledge that we're trading something that is POS company. Okay, POS company. The only thing, you have to be a little bit careful. This is SSR, okay? SSR. So at the gate, we're gonna trade ideally with a pop-in fill, the 620. If we can get there, ideally it doesn't fill now in these 10 next minutes. And where I'm looking to cover into the $5, okay? Anybody looking at JTI? Okay, I would say not a beginner play, okay? You want easy faders, take the faders that we had this morning, okay? And look to trade those. Look this, big heat map, came down, boom, push, volume. Really careful in this. We are now in the supply area. There we are. Okay, this is the supply area. Let's see at the gate what we're gonna do. I share usually the volume dots over here, but some trader asked me, Jay, can I use also candlesticks on Bookmap? Well, you can use from my, I would say, personal preference or experience, the 1 minute, or even better, the 10 seconds. If you're able to, I would say, if you want also to scalp, do some day trades, okay? But over here, we're gonna put also JTI. So we have JTI, which right now is around $6, yeah, more or less. I'm gonna put this.
Oh.
Questo stanno giù, però non entra mai più open. Vediamo se sono qui. All right, team. Any questions? So in JTI, we have over here NQ or Qs, SMCI, and also Cent. Okay, so we have like 4 plays, 4 potential plays. I'm sorry. Watching, yeah, watching a 5 minutes. Vedi questo è andato giù, no? Però questo è andato su. Adesso lo premi, vediamo se ci sono le nostre frecce o bookmap o qualcosa. I see some other stocks gapping, like AYRO. Synth is pushing some from the J-Loans and VWAP. The higher, the better. You can see over here JTI, okay, is doing some kind of imbalance. Just look at the volume decreasing and the bars are increasing. NQ rejecting over here 21 to 10, so I'm looking for a continuation. Synth, I would love over here to see a push that 495, 490 that we saw before in Bookmap is a pretty good support. SMCI we need to hold at 59. Remember 59, you can see here we have the big heat map. So if we want to look for a possible long play, we need to see that holding this morning and pushing. E poi questo è venuto giù di 20 cents. Push on a cent.
Yeah.
Però vedi qui JTI, when it came down, this was up.
Yeah.
In a perfect weight. A little bit of pullback on JTI. Cent is going. So we have 4 minutes to the open. Fail on JTI just before the open. So back to the daily level over here at 590. You can see the green level over there. And it rejected from that supply. Remember that supply we were watching before. Questo è stato bello qui. SMCI is still the 59, okay? So at open, looking for dip 59. If we can dip, I'm gonna take a starter. Above 59.90, 60, I'm gonna load the boat if we have that play. So I wanna see that volume coming in. I'm sorry. NQ, let's see if we can have another rejection to take a short. TRNR for now, avoiding. We had NVIDIA and Tesla also on the plan, but I will focus on SMCI for now. Let's see if we can have that. JTI, as we said, a pullback from the supply area, 640, 670. 620, 670, 660. It rejected pretty good. Waiting right now. Let's see if we can have another push to 650, 660 to reshort it. And I'm looking, as we said, for a pop into the 530, 560 here on Cent. Amazing bully. That 640s over there, beautiful feel. Two minutes to go. So qui la zona sarebbe molto più alta, però molte volte può andare a golden zone e via giù.
Ok.
Qui la zona sei lì, JTI è un SSR, vediamo se va su e fa un arrow. Ok?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
One minute to the gate. SMCI, the 59, so testing the support. NQ bouncing over here into the 22,200. JTI, an evening star. So now it looks like this is coming to the VWAP. And some curl over here on Cent. Ten seconds to go. Respect your risk management. Look for A+ setups only. Okay, open. Breakdown on SMCI, waiting. Push on Cent. Shortest Cent, 532, covering 510. Yeah, but I didn't get filled with size. I didn't get filled with size. Let's see JTI if it can push. Let's see if it can push a little bit more. Ma guarda, lascia lì.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, JTI dip and push. And you can see where it's dipping and bouncing from the VWAP. Okay, SMCI is down, so no play long. NQ is down. Watching NVIDIA, which is rejecting as NQ. Tesla is instead pushing strong. Let's look at JTAR.
Yeah.
JTAR rejected this 620. So perfect. Golden zone rejection on JTAR. You can see 620 and failed. Sint waiting for another 560 push to short. Tesla push, and in Q instead we have a J-line rejection over under. JTAI, look, 80 cents move, 520, 620 to 540.
Maybe I'm just gonna push out the push.
TR and R is curling, CYCU halted. Allo again push. Push over here, Sint. Short is Sint. Covered in 507. This time I cover a little bit more. Boom, done. Okay.
Wonderful.
We did it again, like yesterday, trading a gap and extension. Boom, halt. Now Bear took an R account.
Yep.
One account up 4 figures, small account up almost 300, yeah, what is. But actually pretty good with all the size I could trade. So load over here, you can see the play. I'm gonna put it over here so you can see what we did. So we shorted, didn't get filled, boom, cover the rest. Loaded at the same time I do this, I have Stream Deck and Razor, so trading here and trading on large account. It might be another large account, so pretty hard. Large account took 540s, over here took 538, cover all the way down, boom. Okay, did.
Yeah.
So try to find these plays, and this came because Bookmap
Right.
gave me this. You see this, guys? Okay, Bookmap gave me this. So really great props over here. That's all we wanted was this. Boom. Boom. Okay? Proud of you, team. Proud of you. See over here, Bookmap. Okay? Now let's go on. Let's see what else we're going to have. SMCI, as I said, it's no play yet. It could reclaim over here. If we reclaims with volume, we're going to go push long. Okay? Exactly. This Sint is Carfid style.
Yeah.
Holding a large account, all out on a small account. Okay? Very good, bro. Very good. On the small account, if I had the possibility instead of 600 shares to put like 2,000, this was already like a 4-figure trade.
Oh yeah. Right here you can't do in the small.
No. Sint, SMCI, our plays. SMCI confirmed, long, reverse of 50 and under over. 59.80 long play. Risk J lines. Okay? So the system is telling us over here, you can see here, reverse of 50, look. Reverse of 50 means a long play. SMCI, beautiful cup. The risk over here is 59.60s. This is our play, team. SMCI. Shane, you're long, buddy? Okay. Sell me 1/3 over here only at 60.50. Why? Pre-market resistance. And don't cut over here the all position. I want that we're able to hold over here the 50s. If we can hold the 50s, we'll unwind again. Okay, let's see if this can have steam to hold over here and push more. I believe yes, but we need to break this pre-market high, okay? This is pretty tough. Look over here, that heat map 61. Allo halted. Quindi questo qui vedi non è andato nella sua zona, però è andato su. C'è stato Bookmap e il nostro thing. E l'open fa quei pups. Covering half traders at 470 on Sint from 540. Styles SSR is going up. I want to see SMCI over here. If anybody over here is long, now we're moving the stop at 59.60s, okay? SMCI stop to 59.60, which is our major key lever for the low. Sorry. JTI, we're dip and bounce J lines, okay? So everybody's saying, haha, J lines don't work, blah, blah, blah. But look, it came down directly to the J lines, exactly where you can long it. Look over here, the dips and push. SMCI, give me a bull flag, please. Give me a bull flag, SMCI. SMCI, JTI pushing. Remember JTI SSR. Ok? Quasi nella zona. Vediamo se fa un trade. No, guarda se per il balance.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I don't see it over here.
SMCI holding.
No, this went down, it's going up.
Non vedo.
No.
È andato nella zona. Non c'è stato neanche un error del cazzo. PGY moving. SMCI is my patience right now. Okay? SMCI is my patience. It goes down, I have a scratch trade, 59.50. It pushes. I'm loaded on this. Would like to see a very big push. JTI, for who follows the golden zone, don't think you can find a better type of entry than this. Simply perfect. And also for bull traders, the long J lines dip. That's all you need. That's all you need. Okay. SMCI, they're trying. TRNR, we trade in pre-market. SSR. We trade on Jtraderco.
And 2 minute.
Dove? Ah, qui, un po' troppo giù.
Quello.
Non mi piace.
I didn't see it. Non l'ho visto niente.
Le referenze per me devono essere lontane dall'anime. We're all out, SMCI, break even. Didn't work, traders. That's fine. Saint holding at least. NQ still short. We have over here JTI holding VWAP. They're trying to hold it, huh? Trying to hold it over here. Vedi, cosa andava giù, devi farlo solo se lontano.
Yeah, it's going back up. Let's see.
È nella zona. NQ working. So SMCI, remember, we're out, okay? As soon as we broke that 59.50. NQ still short play. JTI watching.
It's going up. Still going.
Took a short, 605. Out, I don't trust it. I don't trust over here, JTI. I want first a fake breakout, okay? And there we go.
Okay.
Okay, still holding team. On two accounts with my bear sent. Not on the small one. Small one we took from 540 till 480s. Still good. Watching over here, JTI price action, TR&R, pretty good on the push. Beautiful car fade. Trading balance. No.
No.
SMCI unwind. TR&R back up. TR&R, my point, guys, have they fake clear out. TR&R, have they fake clear out. And short or not touching. JTI, what I want, 640, 650, have they fake clear out.
Yeah.
And short or not touching. When 90 MA breaks VWAP to the upside and curls equal long with volume. Okay, it's often, of course, you need to go to flow tape, order flow, tape, etc. Okay, so now I'm holding Sint for 200 MA 5 minutes. On an account, we are still 50% in. On another account, we are 33% in. Okay, so let's see what we can do with that. SMCI, I'm sorry, no play. What we have to do, don't trade anymore for now until it doesn't set up, okay? Tesla, unexpected this breakout, huge volume. I'm not in, okay? I'm not really in on this. Stuffy move on TRNR at $2 over here. Stuffy move, $2. Beautiful J-Slim. Anybody took the J-Slim stuffy move? You'll see over here my system calling the J-Slim. Okay, personally, waiting. Okay, let's look at Sint. Yeah. One at 200 MA, one at 200 MA. Attimo fare vedere questo può essere stato sempre. Dopo ha dato anche qui il J-Slim, perfetto.
Nella Golden Zone dici però. Possono essere buone anche quelli. Right?
TRNR, waiting, high day, fake, clear out. Okay. Follow the setups. Follow the setups. Okay. These are scalps. If you trade over here, TRNR, I'm sorry, is a scalp. Nothing more than that. Così se c'è qualcosa che è ancora un ordine me lo cancella. ALZN, beautiful guys. What a stock. What a stock that. What a stock. So remember you have levels, okay, when you trade. Like TRNR over here. Okay, let's put TRNR on Bookmap as well. So we have levels. You can see this morning what it did. It bounced on this 155. Okay, so you put a line, a zone at this 155. That's your level. Okay, that's your level. And you can see also the huge Bookmap that we have below. Okay, then we saw sellers over here $2, half dollar number, sorry, whole dollar number, right? And then we have over here a daily level, which is 240, 250, which is a zone of supply. So those are three levels. Those are the levels where or you buy the dip or you're looking to short the pops. Okay? But don't try to buy 240 because there's a high chance that 240 is going to get, we say, faked out with a liquidity trap. Don't try to short at 150 because maybe you can get trapped and then in 2 seconds go up to 180 or $2. Got it? Boom, JTI. Boom, JTI. Got this on a larger account. Boom. Boom. What a fail. Boom. And look over here, the sellers. That is. Boom. Amazing. Amazing. I think Carford killed it. I don't know if you can show this stuff. This stuff is almost disturbing. Team is almost disturbing. Okay. That's JTI. So, short cover. This is Carl. The stuff, boom. Boom, out, reloaded, risk 620, 520. So even if you were risking, let's say, around 20 cents or so, okay? But it took like now 4 hour return. Well, that's a pretty good risk reward ratio. Okay, so boom. Is a newbie stock, is a stock that you can trade. Okay, I would avoid. Kerr, beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Now halt over here, JTI, we're gonna look for 450. Synth is curling. So we're gonna have NQ over here, still fader. JTI halted down. Now we can put Tesla, still uptrending. Beautiful trade you took.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see Synth for a rejection. 490 with a rejection. Let's see, Synth over here popping a little bit. With a rejection 490, was waiting for a little bit more. Touched perfectly the J lines. Tesla still uptrending. NQ back over here above the pre-market low. FRNR, there we are. Dip and push again. There we are, open on JTI. Watching.
It's still low, but
Short. 83. Then I add on a large account. Let's go like that.
yeah.
Beautiful J-line rejection on Sint. J-Tie simply monster. I'm looking for 5, guys. What I'm looking over here is this high liquidity we had on Ascent. So on a fader, I see those rejections. I want to look to add to the position. J-Tie new lows. There we go. And Q is still weak. I think we can get over here the 450s.
Slim under 5 in 1 minute.
Beautiful J-line rejection. So we had also this J-line rejection over here, 490. Something went over here, fell to the 60s. Now let's see. TRNR, no play yet, waiting. So TRNR, no setup clear. SSR, avoid. NQ, still short, over under. Tesla, no play. Sint, we are on this gap and extension. Came to become a gap and crab. J-Tie, TP, 200 MA, 5 minutes. So let's go back to see SMCI. Remember this morning we were on this and we were looking, sorry, we were looking at display. So we took the long over here, simply reclaiming the open level, okay? This is a setup that I really like. It's a low risk entry because actually you're risking 30, 40 cents. So we're risking simply the previous bar low or the same bar low. And then it came over here, you were looking at this with me. And you can see what we had on Bookmap. So they clear out the resistance and they were making like a pennant more or less. And then we had this breakdown, simply failed over here. The golden zone filled the J lines exactly here. And you can see right away heat map coming over. Okay, so pushing down the sellers, pushing down the bids. Everybody stopped out. and then I feel this unwind over here to the 55s. Back over here, and now it looks like they want to make it another sell-off. NQ more fuel to the downside. A little bit of breakout on SMCI, but I'm not going too long over here against the open level. I would like to see first a reclaim of open level. So SMCI, we're watching for reclaim first of open level, then reclaim of 59.50, cut pattern, the buy, volume, so TRNR, high chance of squeeze. JTI covered into 5, a little more. Half left, more or less. Cent, hold now, TP 4s. NQ trail and Qs also. The lower highs and lower lows. Kerr hold for 185. To get out all. I wouldn't go on a short play, buddy, on Tesla only because it's very, very strong over here. We have this level of resistance from 2 sessions ago. We have 364. It's perfectly at slim as you say, but if you're short, you have to be very careful. Okay, so if we fail the level, Tesla fails the level, equals short. Let's also look on Bookmap. I want to see the confirmation. If we have a heat map above, if we have like some serious sellers above, Kerr coming. Yeah, we have a big heat map 366. 190 cur. No, William, I wouldn't really touch OSRH. Could jump really 10, 11, 12 very fast. I would wait. The easiest setups this morning, besides Tesla here that ran like nuts, are Sint because we had, you can see, a very good play with Bookmap and its setup. So let's do this so I think you can see better. Let me see how to make it bigger. There's a way to make it bigger. Okay, I think like this you can see it better. So we had make the background this black. Okay, so we had a gap and grab over here. Good one on the play. So this, like to see a fade over here till $384. That's gonna be my one. Okay, and you can see Bookmap really helped us. JTI came twice, but also these were good dips to buy for the long. So the first dip, really liked it as well. This long, 520s, you can see over here we dipped, came down 525, push over here, but we had a lot of buying pressure. These, you see these bars over here, 550, and then they pushed that up till 620, where we had again big heat map sellers, and then it failed. Okay, I love to see that. SMCI, I expected a little bit more. Didn't come the play that I wanted. Now, if we're going to reclaim the open level, I'm going to think about taking the long play, maybe midday or afternoon. Let's see. We also had Kerr. I was looking at NVIDIA. Remember, we had NVIDIA this morning. So in Q fading, it brought NVIDIA all the way down. This pop and fail, view up rejection here, 90 MA fail, unwinding. Okay, so these are good easy plays. But the best for me this morning, the two plays that you have to learn is SMCI. This is really the recap. because the SMCI had this fake out. Okay, you can see the breakout. It didn't consolidate too much for about like 7-8 minutes, and then it simply dropped with this big heat map. So big sellers. I like that. TRNR for now fading. There's no volume, so could fail. Let's see. JTI maybe a pop till 560 VWAP to recycle. Sint over here still good for the short. Nvidia still short. Tesla still break up for the long. Look over here, the volume never broke this this trend line. We're looking before a Tesla. Remember, we're looking for, in case with J Slim, breakout days. If we had over here close below this resistance, yeah, you can think about a short. But look over here, dip and push high volume. Yeah, breakout days don't go counter trend. That's the reason why I didn't trade it. Strong over here, Tesla. Let's look at Amazon. So faded. Maybe they're still low. MD over here, pop, fail. no play on NVIDIA. More interested in SMCI. So SMCI, going over this, only on break of 60. JTI can still squeeze. So watch attentively. Could be a push. You always have to be aware of volume coming in once we reclaim over here these daily levels. If we reclaim over here the view up, so look at JTI. Is this a long play? No, not yet. It's not a long play. This is our short area. System is still saying gap and crap. Same, the only one that I want right now to fail all the way down. So Matt is in the position. Still fading over here, SMCI. Sorry, Ascent. All right, team. Almost 10:30. I'm gonna have a recap at around 11:30. I'm gonna still be here trading on the large account, not anymore small ones. Decent day around 300, small one, and nice collected 5 figs on the large accounts. Watching over here now for JTI if I can have another setup play. Watching also on SMCI. Okay, I like these. Uh, yeah, we have hymns also was looking, and let's see, Lee, XPEV, a few others. We're gonna update this in the room right now. Thank you.